Hi, my name is Viktor Baltus and today I'm going to teach you how to create proper margins for your design. When you write a letter, you don't start on the outer edge of the paper. The same applies for placing columns on an artboard. To make your text legible and pleasing for the eye, you need to add white space around your columns. We call these margins. But how much margin do you add? To a book? To a business card? A flyer? There is no standard way to do this, but there are some methods we can use. Like the thumb margin system, where the margin should be at least a thumb wide to not obscure any text or images. This works great for books, mobile phones and other devices. Another way to create margins that are pleasing to the eye is to create a set of diagonal lines like this. And then there's the type system, where you create a system of margins based on the size of the type you are using. The goal of creating margins is to create a layout where your text and images has room to breathe, and ultimately create a solid hierarchy in your design. If you want to learn more about margins, design systems and grids, I've created the Grids and Layouts kit where I outline the process to create beautiful layouts. I've also included templates with the most common grids so you can create them with ease.